In this video, let's learn how to enable notification history. If we enable this feature, when you receive notifications, you can see all notifications on this notification history area. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to notifications option. In here, click on this advanced settings option. You can see this notification history option. Click on it. You can see my all notifications are saved. You can turn on this feature. For example, when your friend send a message to you, after he deleted it, you cannot see the message, but when you enable this notification history option, you can see his message in here.